Everyone, the mic is working? It's working? Good. So I was just checking whether you are all ready or not. It's a pleasant day at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. The fans have arrived at huge numbers for the decider between India and Australia, the T20 series. Both are tied at 1. Dhoni and Clark head for the toss. Clark with a coin, MS call. And once again, MS has called heads to the coin that has 2 tails. He has lost the toss. Clark has chosen to bat first, and Dhoni does not look happy about it. But this is the game of cricket. It's a sport. You have to take everything sportingly. Clark and Warner are opening the batting lineup. They are heading towards the pitch. Dhoni is doing a last moment field check to see if everything is in correct order. He hands over the ball to his most trusted first over general, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Bhuvi with the new ball. He has started running. Ooh! Clark caught it hard on the ribs. But Clark is okay. Bhuvi just asking Clark whether he's alright. Clark is fine. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar is not allowing Michael Clark to open his arms. He's not allowing him to open his wrist. Michael Clark has been struggling from the last 4 balls. It's the last delivery of the first over. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar is as cool as a cucumber. He gets ready for the ball. He has started his run-up. And he throws the ball. Clark swings the bat. The ball goes to the wicket keeper and the finger goes up. Out is the decision given by the umpire. There's a loud shout in the stadium. The Aussies don't know what just happened. The Aussies are going to review this. They have asked for review. The umpire has contacted the third umpire. But I would say that Clark is waiting for tomorrow's newspaper to declare him out. Because everyone knows he's out. The stadium has already declared him out. And now the third umpire has finally declared him out. Glenn Maxwell comes in for the second over. This man can be troublesome. He is in excellent form throughout the series. 3 centuries in ODI, 2 centuries during the T20s. Man, this man is trouble. He can be troublesome for India. Dhoni gives the ball to none other than Jasprit Bumrah, the man who is holding the first rank in ICC rankings for the best bowler. Bumrah with the ball. The ever-determined Bumrah charges towards the pitch, throws the ball, and Glenn Maxwell strikes. It's gone over the heads of the fielders. It's a 6. Bumrah cannot believe it. Maxwell can't believe it. He has hit a 6. It's never easy to strike Bumrah at the first ball, and he has done it. And he has been doing it throughout the series. Bumrah is angry. Man, what have I done? Bumrah is going again with the ball. And a 4. What is happening? The whole over went for 4s and 6s. Maxwell was consolidating his position when Yuzvendra Chahal replaced Bumrah. Maxwell started struggling. Chahal's spin balls Maxwell was unable to understand which way the ball would come and hit him. Max was thinking, man, what's happening? I was hitting the best bowler and I can't hit Yuzvendra Chahal. It's the 6th over, the last over of power play. Bumrah has come with the ball. The ball has been again handed to Bumrah. Frustration is oozing out of his eyes. He's ready. He starts his run-up. He throws the ball and Maxwell strikes it for a 4. Can you believe it? Looks like Maxwell's going to storm through it. He loves to storm through the innings. I'll tell you, if he had a car, he would probably start it in 4th gear. But this is Maxwell and that is Bumrah. Bumrah is thinking, man, what can I do? What can I do? I need to get this man out. I am the key player for my team. I'm the key bowler. What can I do? Bumrah is ready for the next delivery. And Maxwell defends. Maxwell has started defending Bumrah. Bumrah is throwing Yorkers after Yorkers and Maxwell is defending. What can Bumrah do now? There's only one solution. A bouncer. A bouncer is going to come. Bumrah is ready with the ball. He charges towards Maxwell. Throws that bouncer. But looks like that ball dropped at the damp spot of the pitch. Maxwell unable to judge the ball and bowled. Maxwell has been bowled. The team is celebrating. This is a historic moment. Bumrah has changed the game at the last ball of the power play. The score stands 32 for 2. Thank you.
You got the next Ravi Shastri in you. Now we call Sri Darshini to review Rithesh.